Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the latest collection of Louis Vuitton. So all you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availabilities, just kindly check the website in your seats. Guys, I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so as promised, since I have more photos and prices of this collection, I'm happy to share it to you. So some would be launching February 20th, some would be the 27th. First, we have this beautiful vanity chain pouch, priced at 5,300 USD. Material is calfskin leather. This is embellished with rhinestone and the spring flower motif. With cowhide leather trims, it comes of course with detachable strap, so you could wear this one as a crossbody. Then guys, we have the very beautiful and chic Alma trunk 20. So unfortunately, we do not have the price, but we do have the SKU. So this would be launching the 27th. Same material, calfskin leather, embellished with rhinestone in the spring flower motif, as we could see here. So as you can see, it comes with the trunk details, just like with the S-lock closure. It comes with the corner metal details and of course the studs. Then guys, this one is kind of new. So we have the slim trunk. Price is 6,400 USD. The 27th of February is the launch date. So kindly take note of the SKU. I love this design guys of the slim trunks. As you can see, the material is the noir calfskin leather, which is also embellished in front with the spring flower motif. So next, on the spring summer 2026 collection, we have the Capucin's BB. Price of this one is 9,150 USD. Material is Tyrolean leather with spring flower motif. So the spring flower, this time it is not embellished, but it is embroidered to the Tyrolean leather. I'm not really sure how I'm liking that. Kindly comment down below if you feel that treatment with the very beautiful Tyrolean leather. Next guys, so let us discuss a new material. So we have the pochette accessories, priced at 1,550 USD. Material is monogram canvas with the spring flower motif, as we could see here. So back and front, it has the design. Comes with the detachable leather strap, and this one guys is launching February 20th, 2026. So next, we have passport cover, price at 520 USD. Kindly take a screenshot of the SKU. How beautiful and vibrant the spring flower design on the classic monogram canvas. So this is the interior of the passport cover, which is made of cowhide leather trim. So this is the back part of the passport cover. I really do love how the spring flower stands out with the background of the classic monogram canvas, just like with this Neverfull MM. 2,590 USD. So the main material or base material is the classic monogram canvas. So this is the interior with like a brown suede-like fabric interior. Then of course it comes with the fully detachable mini pochette, also with the spring flower motif design. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, we have the
all in BB. So the price of this one is 2,760 USD. So this is the third material from the Eden collection or the Spring Summer 2026. This is launching the 20th this month. So this one, the main material is in monogram canvas in the colorway Dune. Of course, it comes with the design of the spring flower. It comes of course with detachable mini pochette, just like with the Neverfull, which is so cute. Then of course we have the classic card holder. So price is 360. We have SKU here, so same material. So it comes of course with the classic monogram canvas in Dune, which is printed with the Eden design or the spring flower motif. Then of course it would come with cowhide leather trims. So this is launching same date, which is February 20th 2026. So check already the website, the stores, and your CAs, guys. So this time this would be launching February 27th. We have the Squire East West, price at 2,780 USD. I feel that this design of the Squire bag would be very popular because it is very modern and very current right now, because as you can see, it comes with the leather strap, which is elongated, which is, you know, the design right now of the new bags that are coming out. Then of course if you want a lipstick cosmetic pouch, then go order this one right away. Price at 545 USD. So this is the interior. So my material is the monogram canvas in Dune. Of course it comes with the spring flower motif design. It comes of course with gold hardware, just like with the clasp that it comes with, so you could insert it maybe as a bag charm or maybe on the interior of your bag. Then we have the Speedy Soft 30, price at 3,700 USD. We have SKU here. So as you can see, this is a slouchy design of the Speedy 30 bandolier. So main material is monogram canvas, which is the softer version. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap. I see that it also comes with a detachable leather bag tag as well. Next on the collection, so we have the Necessaire. So price of this one is 5,700 USD from the Eden collection of the Spring Summer 2026. So this is like a toiletry bag, as you can see here. So I believe the reason why this is a lot more expensive compared to the Speedy Soft 30 a while ago is because the interior, as you can see, is fully detachable. So I'm also guessing that it might be made of calfskin leather or maybe even lambskin. Then how gorgeous is this Whisper Envy clutch is. Price is 10,700 USD. We have SKU here from the Eden collection of the Spring Summer 2026. What I love about this one, of course, it's made of monogram canvas, then it is shaped like a shell design over here, so you could fully detach the chain. Perfect for that chic evening parties that you are going to go to. Then we have the Speedy Bandolier 20. So this is launching February 27th. Price at 6,200 USD. So guys, please take note the materials of this one. So the top part, it is made of canvas, a vintage printed canvas. Then of course the bottom part is the cowhide leather trims with the monogram canvas with the trunk details. Then it would also come in the classic monogram design, Speedy Bandolier 30, price at 6,550 USD. So the top part is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. And of course, it has the out of trunk or the trunk bottom detail, as you can see. So guys, if you are ordering this one, kindly comment down below. I would love to hear your thought. I'm just wishing that this bag is not as heavy because it has the trunk detail at the bottom part of the Speedy. Then, as mentioned previously, this is like the most or the chicest neo locker dop kit that I've ever seen. The price is 2,520. Material is monogram canvas and reverse mono. Of course, it would come with cowhide leather trims. I love the top handle because it is adjustable, so you could carry this one as a top handle bag as well. Then we have the side trunk price at 4,600 USD from the Spring Summer 2026 Eden collection. So material, guys, please take note, they are launching a lot of printed fabric material with cowhide leather trims. To be honest, guys, if I'm going to pay for this amount, I'm expecting that the bag would be at least leather or if not a coated canvas, but not in fabric because I'm not really sure how it would wear over time. Just like with this Speedy Soft 30, price at 4,150. And another thing that I'm not really sure what the material is would be the top handles, because as you can see, it is wrapped with bandeau. So I'm not sure if that already comes with the bag, but maybe it does because of the very expensive price. Then next on the collection, we have the pochette clasp, price at 615 USD. So same material, so printed fabric from the Eden collection or the Spring Summer 2026. So this one, guys, would come with cowhide leather trim. So that is the interior. It would come with gold hardware. So the colorway of this one is beige rose.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hopefully you did, guys. So among the beautiful bag selection that I've shown you, which one is your favorite? Kindly comment down below. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!